Hello everyone! Today I'm going to create Halloween candle holder. You can download more Halloween candle holders on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month. In order to assemble this design, I need glue for wood, electronic candle, sandpaper, and nail file. First, you need to use sandpaper to clean the parts of the design and remove any excess. I do this to all parts of the design. After that, I glue two parts of a stand together. Wait few minutes so it can dry. I check if the main design fits into the stand. If it doesn't, I carefully file the edges with a nail file to make assembly easier. Next, I complete the design with candle and admire the result. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download more Halloween candle holder on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to give you more content. See you on Friday with a new free laser design.